Hey RVers, what's up? This is Parker Rivard coming at you from Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And today I have the pleasure to take you around some of our Winnebagos that we have here at the dealership. We are a Winnebago dealer. We do carry the Micro Minis, the Minis, and our Hike series. But today I get to show you one of my personal favorite, the Winnebago Voyage. So why don't you guys follow me on down to the one we're going to be checking out today. So today, what we have for you guys is the 2023 2427RB Winnebago Voyage. Starting off with the front of this coach, you're going to see this beautiful fiberglass front cap with all this LED lighting on the front. Right on our A-frame, we are going to have our dual LP tanks with our front power tongue jack. Moving along to the side here, we see this really nice spacious pass-through storage. So lots of room in there while you're traveling. This is going to be a heated pass-through storage as well. You may notice on the outside of the Voyage, it is going to be a dual entry point, so you do have access to go into the bedroom area or enter in the rear side of the coach. Another thing about the Voyage, they are going to be that fiberglass sidewall with Azdel. So Azdel, if you're not familiar, it's going to be that high density block foam. It's one of the closest things you're going to get to an all climate weather package in a trailer. We're going to see outside speakers along the side of the coach as well. One thing I love is this beautiful power awning. So about an 18-foot awning with all this LED lighting along the side, really making that nice fiberglass pop along the side of it. Coming along to the back side, we are going to see a ladder going to our fully walkable roof, and it does have a 2-inch receiver on the back that's going to be good for up to 500 pounds. Now to step inside this beautiful Voyage, we're going to go right into our rear bath section of the coach. That's what the RB is for on the back of our Voyage. So right in this rear bath section, you're going to see a lot of room in here, a lot of changing area. And one thing I love to point out is all this beautiful color scheme that they do in the Voyage. We got this nice white countertop with the navy blue, all this beige interior, nice beautiful vanity with some storage. We do have a Dometic porcelain toilet, as well as kind of this beautiful glass shower with some headspace right up top. Moving into our living room section, it is to be pointed out that we do have 7-foot ceilings in here, which is great for me being 6'8". I can actually fit in this one while I take you guys through it. We do also have a 6-foot slide box as well. In our entertainment center area, we are going to have our fireplace, and this Voyage is going to have the JBL speaker system on board. It is going to come with that beautiful smart TV on the top as well. And in our kitchen area as well, another fifth wheel like feature is going to be that beautiful residential refrigerator. So we do have a Norcold refrigerator in here. And one thing I like to point out to people is this does have a night mode on it. The night mode means, you know, when you're going to bed at night, not many people are going to be coming and opening your refrigerator. That night mode is going to be saving you battery when you're not hooked up and plugged in. In our kitchen area as well, we are going to have this nice 30-inch residential microwave as well, and this is going to be a convection microwave too, so another really nice feature inside of our Voyage. Just below that, we are going to have our 3-burner stovetop with a nice spacious oven just below. Again, like I mentioned, color schemes is everything in this Voyage. I think the navy blue with the white pairs so nice, along with that beautiful backsplash all along the back. And last but not least, into our bedding area, we are going to have this beautiful, spacious king-size bed with all this cabinet storage on the side. You might notice in the back, we are going to have little book nook areas, little sections to keep your things, along with storage above the top. Well, that's all we have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any more questions about this Winnebago Voyage, again, this was the 2023 2427RB model. Till then, I'm gonna hang out here. Come kick me out when you wanna make it yours. Thanks so much.